Alright guys, so starter's on, headers are on, bolted in. It's good to go tomorrow morning. We'll come out, prime it, drop the distributor, set the timing on it, run the water pump, carburetor. Try to get it all buttoned up and fired up tomorrow and get the braking done on it. It's coming along pretty good. That was not fun getting that starter in there, that's for sure. I messed up my paint on the pipes a little bit. I'll have to do some touch up on that. Oh, those pipes look good though in this light, don't they? Oh, shine. It's looking good, guys. I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all have a good night. Thanks for watching.